Do your outdoor videos have unwanted background noise like insect buzzing or wind blowing? Let's clean them up easily with audio eraser on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. This feature uses AI to detect and separate different types of sound in your video, including music, voice, and nature sound. Today, we will focus on removing nature sound like bird, wind, or insect to make your video clearer and more professional. To do so, open Gallery app and select a video you want to edit. Tap Edit icon at the bottom. Tap Audio icon and then choose Audio Eraser. If your video contains ambient sound, you will see a nature option appears. Tap this icon. Then use the slider to reduce the nature sound level, or tap mute to remove it completely. When you are done, tap Apply Edit, and then tap Save Copy to save the result as a new video file. As a note, the nature option appears only if your phone detects subtle environmental sound like wind, insect, bird, or waves. It may not detect loud or dominant animal sound, for example barking or mowing, as they are treated differently by the AI. And that's how you can remove background nature noise from your video, like on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. No fancy editing app needed. It's a simple trick to make your video sound cleaner and more enjoyable. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.